Are you having a picnic with Elmo and Care Bear? You have bread, pancakes, hot dog, hamburger, this bread. Wow, you have cake! And you have a lot of fruit. What's that?
Yeah.
It's a pear. Slice it. Oh, you give them plates. Elmo, you ask Elmo, what do you want to eat? Let's ask Elmo what he wants to eat. Elmo, what do you want to eat? I want watermelon. He wants watermelon. Put it on the plate. Say, here you go, Elmo. Give it to Elmo. Here you go. Yummy! Yummy! Orange. Banana! The Care Bear wants banana. Put it here. Here you go, Care Bear. Yum yum. Lemon. Oh.
Peach.
Oh, it's strawberry. Yeah. What's that? Honeydew.
Purple.
Grapes. It's purple. Slice it. Orange. Oh. Strawberry. Grapes. Apple. Where's the apple? That's pineapple. Okay, let's slice a pancake. Wow! Grapes. What's the color of the grapes?
Purple.
Purple. The grapes. Where are the grapes? Put it here and then put them here. How about the watermelon? Another grapes? Okay. Where? Where'd it go? Look for it. It's not there. Somewhere here. Where? The grapes. It's purple. Purple. It's purple. Look for the purple. Where? There it is. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Put them together. Yay! Now put the grapes here. How about the watermelon? Watermelon. How about the tomato? Where's the tomato? That's not a tomato. Tomato. No, tomato first. Tomato. Tomato. Yay. How about I put the tomato. Banana. Where's the banana?
Banana.
Yay! Banana. Yay! Banana. How about the honeydew? Honeydew. You say honeydew.
I do.
How about the lemon? Lemon. That. Yay!
How about the pear?
Pear. Where's the other half? The pear.
Up.
Where?
Go.
There it is. Pear.
How about an orange again?
Orange.
Good.
Peach. Okay, get the peach. Here's the other half of the peach.
Half.
Yeah.
Half.
Peach. Cake. You give them a slice of cake. One for Elmo and one for Care Bear. Share Bear. Here you go. What's that for? It's for Elmo. Here you go, Elmo. Yummy. How about for Share Bear? What else is here? Knife. Pancakes. It's upside down. The pancakes are upside down. Let's fix it. Yeah. There you go. Pancakes. What's this for? For Share Bear? Here you go, Share Bear. Your pancake. Yummy.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
I got it.
Hum. You put it inside a burger. Where's the burger? You make a burger for... Who's the burger for? It's for Daddy? Is it for Daddy? Where'd Daddy go? Where'd Daddy go? Where are you? There's Daddy. He's walking. There. Make a burger. Here's the bread. Where's the plate? Put it on a plate. Here's the bread. You put the patty. Put it, this one. It's the patty. And then the lettuce. Where's the lettuce? Where'd you put it? Here it is. Put it there. Yummy! And then put another bread. Where's the bread? This one. Put it. Yay! This one's for Daddy. Okay, let's wait for Daddy. Let's put it here. This one's for Daddy. How about for Elmo? Elmo says, I want hot dog sandwich. Here you go, hot dog. I just want half of it, and half goes to Share Bear. So, can you please slice it? Cut it in half.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
No.
You call Daddy.
Okay.
There's Daddy. You call him.
Mommy.
No, not Mommy. Daddy. You're going to...
Bye.
Butterfly. You get...
Bye.
Why are you looking for Daddy? You want to give him your burger, the hamburger that you made for Daddy? There's Daddy. Oh, you give Daddy your... Give Daddy his hamburger. Where's the hamburger for Daddy? Where's the hamburger that you made for Daddy? Here it is. You put a spoon? Okay. Here you go, Daddy.
Thank you.
Yay! What do you say? You're welcome.
Okay.
can I have an apple?
Apple. Daddy wants apple. Where's the apple? Where'd it go? This one, this one. You slice it. Daddy wants half, and the other half goes to Mommy. You slice it. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Go,
you.
Daddy. The other half goes to Mommy. Yummy!
Do you have an orange?
Orange.
Yay!
Thank you. Do you have a cake?
It's sour. Cake! Oh, you build the cake. You build the cake.
Yay.
Yay! You blow the cake.
Oh. Daddy.
For Daddy? Okay, give it to Daddy.
Thank you. That was for Mommy.
Go.
Look, dogs. Tabitha, look. Arf, arf. Tabitha.
It's for me? Thank you. Hum! It's yummy. Dogs.
What does the dog say?
Apple. Mommy.
Yes?
Daddy.
Yes? Yay! And then chase the butterfly. Chase the butterfly.
Run, run, run! Chase the butterflies! Oh! Where'd they go? Run! Run, run, run! Are you chasing the butterflies? Whoa! Run, run, run! Run, run, run! See the butterflies? Run! Go! Yay!
Surprise. Surprise.
That's a surprise?